Here I have Realme GT Neo 3, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this, switch to the more modes, go to the slow-mo, and now you can record slow motion videos. So I'm just gonna, roll HardReset logo and record it on slow-mo. So here we go. Okay, bad idea. I'm just gonna throw it. So here we go. And now let's see how it looks in slow-mo. Unbelievable, yeah? Wow. Insanely cool. Let's give it another round. Awesome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.